browbeaten and prevented from raising pressing issues of national importance, suddenly the government finds it so important, so necessary, so urgent to discuss the historical complexities of a song. What is even more ironic is the claim that the hate and divisiveness in today's India can be linked back to this song. And by the way, just 2 weeks ago, on November 24, 2025, the Rajya Sabha Parliamentary Bulletin published a section on parliamentary customs and conventions, where it explicitly informed all members that the decorum and the seriousness of the proceedings of the House requires that there should be no Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, or any other slogans raised in the House. So Vande Mataram, in your view, as of last week, placed on record in a parliamentary bulletin as a slogan that was both indecorous and non-serious. And yet, you suddenly want to discuss it for 10 hours in this House. Why? I tell you why. Because, no doubt, some half-wit BJP IT cell minion has probably advised you that the Vande Mataram card, if played right, will give you an advantage to the BJP in the 2026 Bengal elections. There is no other reason behind the timing of this discussion, none at all, take it from me. But we are delighted. We are delighted not only to be able to get this fabulous opportunity to give you a lesson in history, but also to demonstrate to you that how delving into Vande Mataram will only prove how removed you are from the soul of Bengal, from the psyche of Bengal, and how our Ma will never be hostage to your narrow electoral goals.